Ever wondered how planes manage those incredibly long flights without stopping for a quick fuel top-up? Welcome to the fascinating world of aerial refueling, a dance in the sky that keeps aircraft flying longer and further than ever before. Imagine two planes, one called the tanker, flying through the sky with a mission to refuel the other, known as the receiver. It's like a mid-air pit stop for planes, allowing them to stay airborne for extended periods, far beyond the usual limits of their fuel tanks. This remarkable ability not only saves time and fuel, but also stretches the boundaries of military and some special civilian operations across the globe. The inception of this game-changing technique has significantly revolutionized long-distance flights. And here's a fun fact. In 1958, a Cessna 172 Skyhawk was kept in the air for an astounding 64 days straight, all thanks to the magic of aerial refueling. So, how do these high-flying partners pull off such a delicate operation? Picture this. Two aircraft approaching each other, closing in until they're just 100 feet apart. It's a maneuver that demands precision and skill, especially given the turbulence and potential for danger. There are two main styles in this aerial ballet, the probe and drogue, and the flying boom. The first features a long hose with a funnel-shaped drogue that the receiver aircraft must skillfully connect with. It's a bit like threading a needle while flying through the air. The second, favored by the Air Force for its speed, uses a rigid boom to directly transfer fuel at an impressive rate. Once connected, the two aircraft must maintain a perfect harmony, flying steadily together. Any sudden moves could disconnect them, turning this ballet into a bit of a juggling act. But when done right, the fuel flows, and the mission continues. After the refueling is complete, the planes disengage gracefully, retracting their fueling devices and continuing on their separate paths, ready to conquer the skies once more.